video we're going to make some test tiles and test cylinders, and essentially that's going to be something like this and something like this. They both have different benefits, so this is really nice because you can really easily get to all the surfaces, and this is really nice because it's more like a pot that you'll actually be working on in the future. Okay, so now we're going to make a couple of test tiles and a test cylinder. So the test tiles, they need to be at least 4 by 4. This definitely does not need to be perfect. They can be a little on the rough side. So I'm just going to make a couple measurements and go ahead and use my needle tool to cut it. If I'm using drywall, I just want to cut gently because I don't want to cut through the paper. And then, you still see this? I'm just going to go this way, and I've got about 8.5 inches, so I'm just going to do an estimate. So I've got two approximately 4 by 4 tiles, and I'm going to set these aside to get leather hard so I can test my slips on them. And with this piece I'm going to make a cylinder, so I'm just going to, again, I'm gently cutting so that I don't cut through the drywall. I'm just going to make myself a long strip, and then I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to bring these together, and with my hand or a tool inside I'm going to just smush these together to make a connection. Okay, and there you go. This is going to get leather hard, and I'm going to test my slips on it. So you can make either or a combination of both, but you want to make at least 8 test tiles, let them get leather hard, and then we'll be testing our processes on them. If you want to make test tiles that are a little bit more perfect, like this one, which is, you know, exactly 4 by 4, you can go ahead and take your straight edge, and then from there, I'm kind of eyeballing this, but you could use like a speed square or something. Just be careful because it will be sticky. But from there, you're going to cut 2 straight edges and then measure out your 4 inches. And so like I can get 2 out of this for 8. I'm going to do this 3 times. That's going to give me a guide of where to cut. So I'm going to line this up. Cut, and the other way we did it. And then same here, I'm going to measure 4 and then 8. I'm going to just make it 4, 8, and one more measurement, 4, 8. I'm a little short on that side. That doesn't bother me, but you could just only make 3 tiles out of this. So I'm going to let these get leather hard, and then I can actually smooth the edges to make them even tidier. So we'll revisit these when they're leather hard. Now that my test tiles are cut and I need them to get leather hard, I'm going to wrap them up. At first I'm going to let some of the moisture come out from the board. So I'm going to put plastic over them. I'm going to keep a close eye on them though, especially the tiles, because they're thinner, like there's more surface area, they're going to dry a little faster than these cylinders. So I'm just going to keep a good eye on them, and then when they get in the leather hard realm, maybe a little bit before like solid leather hard, I'm going to start babying them by putting the plastic under and above. But for right now, I'm just putting the plastic over and letting some of that moisture come out from the board.